Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another upload. You see me I say, today we're going to talk about Chronic Law. You don't know, big bad artist. I share him life story about the music industry when him come in it, you see me? So, if we're not too busy, make we just take a look and listen a bit to hear what the artist have to say. You see me I say? You don't know how we have to listen to what the artists them have to say because only few of them come out and be real like how Chronic Law be real with the people. You see me as a people? Yeah man, so you don't know. Big respect to Chronic Law, see me, big respect to my subscribers and my supporters who are watching my channel. If you have not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe and let we jump into Chronic Law interview.
Today, bro, before you start, I just want to congratulate you for all the hard work you have put in, you feel me? I will see it and we have to acknowledge it, you see me? Just get a quick bio. St. Thomas native.
But, you know what I say? You dog a East youth, yellow youth. Straight man, yeah. Which part is straight bashi? Straight bull beer. But we will get the root of music, you know. We start music from primary. One project. The project was about the ozone layer. Do the project on the G, I say, yo, your body not there, you know, say you have to do things serious though. So I've been alright from 7th grade, 8th grade. I start freestyle 9 and go up, you see me? Stop right from them time there. Left school, I start build my own and rhythm them. Record myself. Yeah, sitting.
Also, you're the producer as well?
Yeah.
Beat making?
I mean, be a little side with him, man. Whole heap of something I go on with, man. A terrible boy I look for my father, man. Typical life and them sitting there. Yeah.
So from primary school through high school, you just know say music was your calling?
Yeah, man. I could have left school from primary school. But could have left school from primary school, man. But you don't know. So we're bright youth, but I feel like say,
How school is it?
man, be alright. We have sense. Wally.
And then yo, now we know see enough artists now afford from St. Thomas. But who are some artists from St. Thomas in a year time coming up? Well, me probably wouldn't know so. A St. Thomas man.
You know Maxwell? Gaza Maxwell.
Gaza Maxwell. Yeah, but I can't remember the actual song I'm saying.
When another God, I go to the man, another to this.
No, so I'm probably too young for it. They're probably too young for that.
Yeah, how much?
I'm 27. I'm not too young because Gaza era.
Wait, name of a tune with Cartel to man. Tell me that you can't make
I know that one.
Gaza Maxwell.
See, I've seen the hits in first, man. No, I know that one there. Patex, I know Patex.
St. Thomas.
Patex is a power one, killer them, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know Bushman and St. Thomas artist. I eat that, you know.
So what
we are talking big artists though. Yeah, we're not talking.
So what are your inspirations now in the music? In them time, primary school, high school?
Alright. Cartel I do one, yeah. Biggie Smalls. Yeah, 50 Cent. Yeah, this is my character be like.
Yeah, how much?
29 man.
For real? Oh yeah.
30 December.
50 Cent was my first favorite artist, to be honest. Remember that album of Vividly Get Rich or That, I'm on a cassette. That kind of show me age still. But that was like the last year I cassette though. You see me? When you could have recorded it. Like trying. No man, free one, 2003.
Shot as cassette stop.
No, so I thought about VCR.
Which cassette you want to?
The tape. You play music.
Yeah, Kyle, show much pan cassette.
Shatters.
Yeah.
You see me? So, yeah, you're really in tune. So, obviously, it's not just dancehall music you grew up.
No, you have to listen.
Viewers and subscribers on earphone yourself. You see me I say? Chronic Law, big bad artist, talented artist, same way. And you can see it, say yo, him calm and easy there, so you see me, him not worry about nothing at all. And him not make up nothing, like how some artists would have come out and make up things, you see me? I just give my review and Chronicler interview and let's be honest. You see me? Chronicler do him thing. You see me? Whether I'm a countryman or not, him a doing thing. Enough respect to Chronicler, same way, and big up yourself, Chronicler, and big up yourself to all my subscribers and all my viewers. Please subscribe if you have not. Please go ahead and do so. God bless everyone. Until the next one, I'm out.
Every genre of music.
I know some meaning going on them ignorant you don't feel like the country people get things late and like know things like
we are one of the different type of country with them. Remember Bashi grow me, you know. So we don't stay one place. Bashi go out and know everything. So me eventually know everything. Me go everywhere with Bashi. So we are country with we move around, we know everything what go on.
So upbringing, all the house look. Enough siblings, mother, father.